Magkano na kung may pasundar, habang pagkabot pa kita nga naman.
Thank you. Nalilibot pa sa ER pa ko nagkuha. Nang si kabanakan mga to. Wala naman ako ng hard copy. Hindi naman siya nagpa-soft eh. Okay lang. Okay na. Thank you. Hello, good morning again. So update, it's 7:20 a.m. It's 7:20 a.m. The sun is up. Yan. So 7:20, mangita ko sa akon kalanon, I'll have something to eat. I'll check kung anong ara sa dalom. And then, I will also start to process some papers for the PhilHealth, para sa PhilHealth, yeah. Then, dito na ako matambay sa may sagwa sang delivery room. Because, hopefully, hindi wala butan to, okay na siya. The baby, hopefully, the baby will be out before noon. So, praying. So, please help us. Pray with us. 7 p.m. na. See you later. Later naman update. Tulog sa?
Baby boy. Mamuklat
Kasi tuto man dyan.
Baby boy.
Lunch time na ni madam. Ma-lunch ka man. Minho! Jiro Minho! Ay, ano nagkiputan ng ice mo ha? Minho! Eh. Good morning! Good morning! Good morning! No, there! Say good morning! Good morning, everybody! It's my day 2. Day 2 na. So, today is June 23 na po. Kapaligo na ko. Kulang sa tulog pero nakapaligo na. Fresh na kami na duwa. Diba? Fresh na yan, no? Fresh na yung tata, no? So, update. Na-check na siya sa pedya kagina. May nag-visit kagina. And, okay na daw, tenen. Si mother na lang, si mama yan na lang ang hulat dun. Kaya wala pa nagkatong iyang OB. So, the OB hasn't visited us yet. So, wala to ng OB. We'll wait for the OB. Then, I usually what if okay ang tanan. We can go home. Hopefully, after lunch. Lunch ni Madam. Beef. So beef. I think it's beef. Got very small. Very small rice. Say hi to my vlog. Baby. Baby. I'm here. Going home na.
Normal lang na yan.
Normal.
Ano kaya nga?
Instant brother. You wanna see? Mm-mm.
Touch my ears. Ears. You say hi to baby Diego. Rosa, welcome home. Duduk ka man kay nanay? Sa duduk. Hindi mo.
Where? I miss you.
Okay ka lang? Opo, I miss you.
Excited. Nagpag-six sa gani tayo.